To describe art in one word, I'm gonna say possibility. My name is Makhlouf Boucheneb. I'm working at Arch as a production quality control. My role here is to make sure there is no defect on the parts. My position is like a bridge between production and quality control. We work together as a team. The most important is to get like a good part to the customer. Best challenge here, like a big challenge, is to catch the parts, like the non-conform part. It's like challenging and fun at the same time, you know. It makes me proud because like the parts we're making, they are going into the people's body, which is great because we're saving life. Arch gives you the opportunity to learn and build a good career. They trust me and they promote me right now like as a quality control inspector, which is proud for me. Now I feel like I'm making something in my life. We work together, we help each other. I can say like we are as a family here. Yeah, we are as a family.